My story of learning English, it went like that. I was studying in a usual school in Ukraine, and of course, like everybody else, I had such a mess in my head. I could not speak and I could not understand the native speakers. And I got this opportunity to travel to the United States, and that's when the breakthrough happened. Of course, it was hard, but at the same time, it gave me such a good practice for my future. So, now when I'm teaching my students, I understand why many people, they learn English, but they don't speak, don't understand the native speakers. So what I'm doing with my students is I am creating this environment for learning artificially. Listen a lot, speak a lot. So if you'd like to join my classes, you can always do it. I also have free lessons for you to try, and good luck with your English.